This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry Doying-Main. Lovely updated 3-bedroom/2 bath/2 car garage home on a half-acre lot in the Sandpiper Bay area. This home boasts an open floor plan and split bedrooms. Kitchen has been remodeled with white cabinets, granite counters, stainless steel appliances and large breakfast bar. Home has upgrades including but not limited to impact glass, fabric shutters, humidity-controlled AC, newer metal roof, new electrical panel 2021, newer hot water heater, cathedral ceilings, wood-burning fireplace, waterproof luxury vinyl flooring. Backyard has a heated salt water pool. Large, covered patio area and privacy fence. No HOA. Close to shopping and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Terry Doying-Main at 954-693-0100.